everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ani. एंड मैं कल मेरा टेस्ट है और उसके लिए मैं कंटेंट ढूंढ रही थी लेसन 3 द ग्रेट नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स। अब मैं यूट्यूब पे खोज रही हूँ, मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है क्योंकि मुझे और जानना है ग्रेट नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स के बारे में। मैम ने और भी बोला है कि और भी आप अपने हिसाब से कर सको तो करना। मुझे वो कंटेंट नहीं मिला तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आज मैं इसी के बारे में वीडियो बनाऊंगी। लेट मी फर्स्ट शेयर द स्क्रीन। दिस इज़ द चैप्टर द ग्रेट नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स। तो मैं इसे हिंदी में कन्वर्ट नहीं करूँगी, ओनली इंग्लिश में पूरे चैप्टर पढ़ूँगी। द ग्रेट नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स lie to the south of the Himalayan mountains and to the north of the southern Deccan Plateau. These are very fertile plains which stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Their slope is gentle as we go from the west to the east. Almost all rivers that flow these plains originate from peaks of Himalayan mountain. The holy river Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Gandak, Kosi, Ghagra, etc. originate in the Himalayas. The Himalayan rivers carry a good amount of water throughout the year. Melting of ice and snow on the mountain peaks of the Himalayas give water to these rivers during the summer. As they rivers flow down the high mountains, they carry rocks, gravel, sand, and silt in huge amount. The fine silt deposit by these rivers is called alluvium. The alluvial soil is very fertile and suitable for varieties of crops. The deposition of silt is going on for thousands of years. These processes of deposition of silt by the rivers have played a major role in the formation of Great Northern Plains. These rivers do not flow alone. There are many rivers from the other part of the place, such as Chambal, Son, Betwa, etc. that drain their water into these big rivers. The great हाँ आगे the great northern plains of India are divided into three main basins: the Satluj basin, the Ganga basin, and the Brahmaputra basin. Basin is the area drained by a river and its tributaries due to floods. These basins receive fresh silt every year and remain fertile. The soft and fertile soil and availability of water make this basin one of the most fertile lands of the world. The Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, along with their tributaries, flow into the Bay of Bengal. The Satluj and its tributaries flow into the Arabian Sea. The Ganga River originates from the glacier named Gangotri. It lies in the Himalayan mountain. Its main tributary, the Yamuna, also originates from Yanotri Glacier. Both these rivers flow towards the Great Northern Plains and meet at the Sangam near Allahabad. With its numerous tributaries, the Ganga flows throughout the Great Northern Plains. The Ganga begins as a small stream at Gangotri. From there, it rushes towards the plains with great speed. It enters the Great Northern Plains at Haridwar. Thereafter, slows down in the plains. The Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Son are the main tributaries of the Ganga. Except the Son, all the tributaries, other rivers flow from Himalayas and drain their water into the Ganga. The Chambal and Betwa are other tributaries of the Ganga and Yamuna. The Ganga flows through the plains of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. In West Bengal, the Ganga divides into many streams, many of which enter Bangladesh and join the branches of the Ganga is called Hooghly, एक मैसेज आ गया था, which flows into the Bay of Bengal. Today's Kolkata, that was earlier known as Calcutta, developed on the banks of river Hooghly. The Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the largest delta in the world. In West Bengal and Bangladesh, these delta is called Sundarbans deltas. Numbers of towns and cities have developed on the banks of Ganga river. From very centuries, it has been used for transport also. The Ganga is one of the main rivers of the great northern plains. The Brahmaputra originates near the Kailash Mansarovar in Tibet. In Tibet, it is known by the name of the Tsangpo and flows eastward in Arunachal Pradesh. It enters India flowing southwards and then flows westward in Assam. It enters Bangladesh and flows southward once again and meets at the Ganga. In Assam, the Brahmaputra has formed the largest river in Iceland in the world. This river island is known by the Majuli Island. Many cities have developed on the river of these banks. It is one of the mighty rivers of the world. The Satluj River also originates near the Kailash Mansarovar in Tibet. The Satluj and its main tributary river Beas flow in the southwest direction. It enters into Pakistan and drains its water into Indus. Drained its water into Arabian Sea. The Satluj River is also famous for its Bhakra Dam. The dam not only control floods but also produce large amount of electricity. In a way, the Satluj adds the prosperity of our country. The rivers often causes flood during many rainy seasons. Floods cause large-scale destruction of property and precious human lives. We need to control this threat. These rivers are the source of life in the great northern plains. It is because of plenty of water, fertile and easy to till, large amount of good climatic condition. That there is a heavy human settlement in this region, the Great Northern Plains. Many cities and towns have developed on the banks of these rivers. Many factories have also developed on the bank of these rivers. The waste from these towns, cities, and factories also pollute the river water, making it unfit for water, animals, and mankind also. We must stop polluting our rivers as the source of life. So the chapter is complete. अब आप प्लीज़ बताइएगा ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा. प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल लर्न विथ एनी. बाय बाय.